Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my videos, you're highly welcome. And if you're already a returning subscriber, thank you, may God bless you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep the skin with like basically Nigerian brands, just a little bit of drugstore products as well. So if you're a beginner makeup artist and you are wondering the product you should use to prep the skin, or probably you've been seeing my videos and you are like, oh wow, I don't have some of the products she used because they're high-end brands and all that. If I do my makeup with drugstores, are they going to work and all that? You don't have to worry anymore because I get you covered today. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I prep the skin with my like Nigerian brands. So first of all, I did with cleaning the face with a micellar water and the wipes. I don't think I use micellar water. I think it's Mesmetics micellar water. Oh yeah, it's a micellar water. Okay, so after that, I toned the face with a Tejas toner, and I'm going to be using my fan to dry it out. Sure. Okay guys, so after doing that, I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer. Cetaphil is not a Nigerian brand, it's just a drugstore moisturizer. So I'm going to be using the Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm going to be using that to hydrate the skin. So this product is actually a very cheap one. You can actually get it like from anywhere. Basically, it's one of my favorite moisturizers that is like, the price is not too much. It's good and like it's very affordable. Okay guys, so I'm going to generously place that on the face and make sure that it gets everywhere, spreads everywhere, and like after spreading it everywhere, I let it sit on the face for a while. And after sitting on the face, then I use my hand to blend it into the skin. So as I'm blending, I'm equally using my fan to dry it into the skin. So like I'm kind of drying it and then blending, like what I mean, something like that. So after doing that, I'm just going to blend very well, especially under the eyes. I make sure I use my hand and massage gently and very well into the skin, and everything is okay. After that, I'm going to be using the Zaron hydrating serum. It's a serum, so I'm going to equally place that on her face. Like, this product is very hydrating. If you're looking for any product that is going to give you the hydration you need for your makeup, like, this is it. You have to the hydrating serum, I think I saw this from somebody's YouTube channel, Sweet Tamara. Most of you guys in Nigeria know her, so like I see her using this product and I got it, and it's like, it's sweet, it's lovely to use. Honestly, so the hydrating serum is really a nice one. Okay guys, so when I blended that into the skin very well, I got the Mehron skin prep. I'm going to be using that to like control the sweat that is going to be coming out of her body during the course of the day. Okay, so I'm just going to place that all on the face, on the T-zones, basically, not just like everywhere on the face, on the T-zones to like control the sweat. After that, I'm going to be using the fan to like dry it out as well. So after drying it out, guys, I'm going to be getting this Zikel primer, oil control, I think. Yeah, oil control. So I'm going to be putting that on the face. I just got out a little bit of product from it. It's just a primer. This Zikel product is a primer, so I'm just like, you see how it just like kind of drying out the shines from the face and all that. After that, I got the Pond's primer. Most of you guys don't really know how good this Pond primer is. Guys, if you are really a beginner and you want to get a primer, like a mattifying primer that dries oil, that is going to control the oil, and you don't know what to buy, honestly, I would really urge you and advise you to buy the Pond primer because it's really underrated. Honestly, this Pond primer is really underrated. It's a very good primer and it's going to serve you. After everything, I'm using the Kiss Beauty setting spray. I sprayed that all over the face, and voila, that's the end of the video. I love you so much. Bye.